Hi, are you ready for a fun color game? Today, we're going to learn about colors, and guess what? We'll also match them with yummy fruits and veggies. Can you help me? Let's start. First up, the color red. Can you think of a fruit or vegetable that's red? What could it be? I thought of a strawberry and a red apple are red. Next, we have the color blue. Can you think of a fruit or vegetable that's blue? Got it. I'm thinking of blueberries and Concord grapes. They are blue. Now let's look at yellow. Can you think of a yellow fruit or vegetable? Let's see. That was easy. A banana and a lemon are yellow. What about the color green? Can you think of a green fruit or veggie? That's right. A pear and a green apple are green. Great thinking. Here comes a bright color, orange. Can you name an orange fruit or veggie? Let's guess. Fantastic! An orange and an apricot are orange. Well done. Now let's try purple. What purple fruits or veggies can you think of? This is not an easy color. Hang on. Wow! Got it. Purple cabbage and purple aubergine are purple. Did you think of any? What about pink? My favorite color. Can you think of a pink fruit or veggie? Let's think. You're so clever. Rhubarb and radish are pink. Great job. Here's a cozy color, brown. Can you think of any brown fruits or veggies? That's right. A coconut and a potato are brown. Well done. What about black? Can you name a black fruit or veggie? Let's see. Amazing! Black aubergine and black olives are black. Great guessing. Finally, let's look at white. Can you think of a white fruit or veggie? You did it. Garlic and cauliflower are white. Fantastic work! Wow, you're amazing! Today we learned about so many colors and their matching fruits and veggies. Let's say them together. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, pink, brown, black, and white. Thanks for playing the color game with me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.